you say, we're at the train derailment, should I say. The rail accident investigation branch is out. Rail engineers and solutions are out. Network rail here. There's more in this car. And all these here as well are from their workers. But if we come down here, you can actually see the train in the trees there. But there's even more vehicles getting fixed. So I'll show you the trains a bit close. Here's the last carriage here, and it goes over this way. And if we stand over here, I'll show you the actual angle on the train, how much it's tipped over. You can see there just how much it's twisted. I'd say there's about 45-degree angle on that. And just here where this fella is, behind this tape line, there's holes in the track. Filmed that on the phone, so I'll put that clip in a second in the film somewhere. Just here at this bridge in Freight Line, yeah. One of the neighbours there just talking to us. Come here, they can't hear you.
The big building project has been put on hold if that's all stone for cement.
Yeah. How often do we go past here?
About 3-4 times a day.
Do they? Cheers, mate, for that. Just go show them these holes. And the residents said that's a shrapnel mark from World War II. It's on something in the bombs. But if you just look here, you can see just here holes in the roof, and that's actually derailed the train above. But you got engineer people checking everything out. Taking pictures, by the looks of it. It's getting a little bit windy, so let's get the bird up.